Here, come here.
We ain't gonna let him get you. Look at. Ain't she pretty? You wanna see over here?
See the new horsey?
Just your size. Dee Dee's her name. Yeah, well now you can ride one all the time. His name was Sassy. This one's named Dee Dee. See them chickens, Daddy Buck?
They make too much noise.
They make an awful racket, don't they? You see what's down here?
Go down and see the goat.
See the goat? You see the little goat?
I'm right here.
We ain't gonna let that rooster get you, Madison. But
Look in the hole.
you see it?
Look down in the hole. You gotta look in the back.
corner?
It's all the way in the back.
Little cute little white goat.
Come here, Madison. Look at what color eggs the chickens lay.
That's what color the new ones lay.
Yeah.
Got 7 eggs. Got 8 chickens and 7 eggs when we got home.
You happy? Are you happy?